Hello loves, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys all about my favorite skincare, body care products, hair care, all of that good stuff. I know I talk about my current favorites a lot, but I wanted to dedicate this video specifically just to skincare and body care and a little bit of hair care. So I just finished self-tanning, and I used to do my self-tanning routine at nighttime, but I hate going to bed knowing that I'm going to get my sheets and stuff all full of self-tanner, so I don't do that anymore. And I usually try to do it in the morning, usually on like a Sunday is when I self-tan, because Sundays are usually my day off from like the gym, from work. So I have made the mistake before by going to the gym with self-tanner, thinking that like, oh, I'm not gonna sweat that much, it'll be fine. And let me tell you, it was a total nightmare. I went to the gym to use the restroom and I had like tanner running down my neck. It looked like I hadn't taken a shower in like a year. It was disgusting. I like ran out of the gym so fast. So yeah, never again. The first thing that I do is I take a bath or a shower and make sure to exfoliate. So one of my favorite exfoliators are basically any of the aromatherapy exfoliators from Bath & Body Works. This one is my absolute favorite. It's the orange and ginger scent, and it has natural essential oils in it. And this stuff is like very, very grainy and just gets off all the dead skin. So you want to make sure to exfoliate before you self-tan. As soon as I get out of the bath or shower, I make sure to moisturize my whole entire body really, really well. This has been my new favorite body butter, and it's from Trader Joe's. It's the coconut body butter. It has coconut oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. And this stuff smells so good. It smells like coconuts. It smells amazing. So I usually let that sit and sink into my skin for about 5 to 10 minutes, because you want to make sure that the lotion has sunk into your skin and it's not like sitting on top of your skin. So then I go in with my new favorite tanning products, and this self-tanner is amazing. After putting it on, you automatically have just like tan skin. Like, you could already tell I look way tanner than I normally do. And this stuff smells amazing. I usually hate the way self-tanners smell. They just like have this kind of like a chemically smell, and they feel so sticky. This one I love because I can apply it, wear it all day long, and it doesn't feel like I have anything like sitting on top of my body. And it just smells so good. I don't know how to explain it, but it has like kind of like a fruity smell to it. I get this in the dark shade. I kind of want to try the ultra dark, but honestly the dark shade is pretty dark and it lasts me about 10 days and then I have to reapply. And this tanning mitt, I don't know what it is about this tanning mitt, but it is so much better than like the normal Saint Tropez one that I always use, and it kind of like tightens around your wrist so it doesn't fall off. And I love that it has like the little place for your thumb. Next, to make sure I tan my face, my hands, and my toes and feet and all of that, I use this little brush, and this brush is life-changing for a self-tanner because it really like gets in all the creases and just kind of makes it look nice and smooth. And for tanning my face, I use the same brand. It's the Coco and Eve face drops. And I mix this in with my skincare. And the trick to this is you don't want to put it all over your face, because if you put it like up here, it's going to look like you have a mustache the next day. So the way that I apply this is just like I would apply any kind of bronzer or contouring product. So I mix it in with my skincare and I like dab some on the back of my hand. And I just apply it, so like wherever I would contour here, my jawline, the sides of my nose, and my forehead, and like a little bit on my eyelids. And you can sleep with this stuff on and you just wake up to the most perfect natural looking tan. Like it seriously looks like I spent the weekend in Florida or something like that. It just looks so natural and the color is beautiful. I never thought that the usha, however you say it, would make that much of a difference. I do this every morning and honestly it just feels good. Like it just feels like it kind of tightens and snatches my face a little bit. So I've been doing this for probably about 3 weeks consistently every single morning, and I can notice a huge difference. So love this. I put it, or I use it after my lotion, because you want to make sure that you put like a face oil or moisturizer on before. That way it's not pulling your skin. And this thing I love. I just got the one from Herbivore, and it comes like with this cute little pouch. Love that. Hair products. I have recently been using the shampoo, and I got it from Target, and I just love it. First of all, the packaging, so cute. And it is the smoothing shampoo for extra moisture, frizz control, shine, sulfate free, fragrance free, parabens, dyes, synthetic, phthalates, all of that free. This shampoo is one of my new favorites and it's so affordable. And I also tried out, I went back to Target and got another product because I was like, okay, I love this so much. Let me see what other kind of hair products they have. And this stuff is life-changing. As you can see, my hair is pretty curly. I mean, I washed it yesterday and I slept on it, so it has like, you know, some wave left to it. But my hair is so tingly when I get out of the shower, and this stuff literally just like makes my brush glide through it. And it's really good because it has a heat protectant in it. So you can spray this all over your hair and then go in with blow drying and curling, whatever you do, and it's gonna protect your hair. And it smells amazing. It kind of smells like oatmeal. It smells so good. And once a week, I use this shampoo. You don't want to use it too much because I feel like it will almost over dry your scalp. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this. I do have like some scalp issues, so this really helps. It's the Dr. Eddie's Happy Cappy, and I just get this from Amazon, and it's really affordable. This is gonna last me forever because I just use it once a week. But yeah, all of this stuff will be linked down below in case you're interested in getting any of it. Okay, skincare, my favorite thing in the whole wide world. So I have been using the Sand and Sky, these two products specifically, for a couple of weeks now, and I'm obsessed. I want to get more stuff from this line, but this is the Tasmanian Spring Water. It feels like hyaluronic acid, and it just leaves your skin feeling so plump and moisturizing. I used to be obsessed with the Glossier, I forgot what it was. It was like the hyaluronic acid. This is very, very similar, and it just leaves your skin feeling so plump. So as soon as I get out of the shower, this is the first thing that I apply. And then I go in with the Hydration Boost Cream. This is basically going to like triple the hydration in your skin and trap any kind of moisture and water and just leave your skin feeling so hydrated. And these products are so light, which is why I love them. They absorb in the skin. They don't like sit on top of your skin. So that's a plus. Dermalogica, I have been using Dermalogica for months now, and I love every single one of their products, but specifically I've been really loving the micro exfoliant. If I feel like I'm breaking out a lot or have texture or anything like that, I use this, and it just makes your skin feel like butter, like so baby smooth. And then the skin smoothing cream just has so many great ingredients in it, and it just leaves your skin feeling so hydrated. This, I would say, is very similar to the First Aid Beauty, what is it called? Ultra Repair Cream. These are very similar. So I kind of like go back and forth, but this one is so good. And I have sensitive skin, so none of this stuff makes me break out. If you're sensitive, then you'll love these products. For sunscreen, I've been trying my very best to be good about sunscreen because I struggle with putting sunscreen on. But These two products are my favorite. This one is the K-Skin Glow Face Lotion, and it has SPF 45. It has such a pretty like tint to it, so I use this under my makeup and it just makes your skin look alive and like glowy. So you don't have to wear makeup with this. You could just wear it by itself and it automatically like gives your skin a healthy glow. My next sunscreen that I've been loving, which is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. And this is a SPF 50. This is a new product by Glow Recipe and I love this. I love both of these products because they don't leave like that white cast on your face. For nighttime, I go in with the Daily Clarifying Pill, and you can tell I'm almost out of this stuff. Love this. I don't use it every single night. I use it probably twice a week, but this stuff is so good. It has AHA, BHA, and it's going to chemically exfoliate your face and really just take off any kind of dead skin, unclog your pores, and just leave your skin feeling so squeaky clean. And then these two products have been life-changing for nighttime. This one specifically, if you're not gonna get both of these, get this one. This one is the Fresh Floral Recovery Calming Mask. It evens skin tone and texture, and I promise you it does exactly that. I put this on at nighttime, and in the morning, my skin is just so soft, and it helps with breakouts. This one is honestly pretty much the same exact thing. They both have niacinamide in it, and this one also has vitamin B. It smooths and refines pores. This one is great because I do notice on my nose it does like shrink my pores. I don't even know if that's possible, but it feels like it does. And these I love so much. For face wash, I feel like I've gone back and forth trying different face washes, but nothing cleans my face the way this one does. This is the Teami Food Cleanser, and it has turmeric, matcha, lots of organic ingredients. It's all organic, and it's honestly like a green smoothie, but for your face. And it also takes off your makeup very well. So I love this, and I think that's it. All right, Beckham just got here, so I'm gonna wrap up my video, but I hope you guys enjoyed all my favorite skincare, body care items, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves.